Welcome to another backtesting session. I literally just finished recording my VIP mentorship. 100% win rate. Absolutely crazy. I pretty much just went more in depth into like why I'm taking the trades rather than like on YouTube. I just kind of just take the trades and kind of tell you guys to figure it out because you're not paying me. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm not joking. Nah, but actually though, if you do want like one-on-one help, got a link down below. Go check it out. Literally one-on-one mentorship. Anyways, as you can see, I just picked up a random date, so bless my gods. All right, let's get right into it. So if you want to know exactly how I trade and what goes through my mind and everything that I pretty much just look for in the market, well, this is the video for you. Let's get right into it. So, daily time frame. Swing low. That is draws on liquidity. Relative equals. More draws on liquidity. Actually, I wouldn't really call that relative equals, but stack lows, whatever. Okay, yeah, so we're obviously pretty bearish. Pretty bearish. We can low-key have a push higher inside of the zone wicket and then have a push lower. That's on the 4-hour though. Hourly. Okay, we're still very bearish. Oh my god. 15-minute. Honestly, taking out London high wouldn't be a bad idea. But yeah. Okay, we're gonna go take out London high. Let's go do that. Let's go do that first before we have a distribution. Are we even gonna get any form of an entry? Let's see. A little summon light. A little summon light. A little summon light. This. Okay. Higher time frame is very bearish. Did we end up taking out that 4-hour? No, definitely not. Oh my god, we did. Okay, so we're gonna push lower here. Wicking. We're not even tapping, and we are actually. Okay, this could honestly be like, I didn't take this, but this could have been like a 5-minute short. Yeah, I'm gonna just flush lower. Anyways, new session. I don't really like taking big entries like that. Okay, anyways. Okay, we still have... Oh, we have relative equals up. No, never mind, we don't. We have a swing high up there. We have a bunch of generated sell side. We can come down here. We can come down here. What's the 4-hour telling us? 4-hour, we're literally tapping right inside. I'm pretty sure it's also EQ as I just checked 2 seconds ago. Yes. So yeah. Honestly, I wouldn't mind being a little bearish today. More on the bearish side. I was a 30 minute. 30 minute, yeah. Respecting bearish, pushing lower. Yeah. I want to be bearish. Also jumping off this zone. Was there any way of an entry though? At a 2 minute. This is a crazy late fill. Oh, if I put a limit here. Yeah, if I put a limit there, I could have got in on that move. That would have been beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, because we had that 15-minute, we had the 5, and then on top of it, we had that 2 inversion. Ah, okay, whatever. Move is gonna go without us. But we can low-key get a re-entry though. It's not too late. Yeah, EQ of the range. And we're not gonna respect anything. We're just gonna have a crazy flush higher. And that session. Next session. Next session. Okay, so this is a pre-market short. Guaranteed. I want to look for shorts here. Could took this. Could take this too. Honestly, I'm gonna put like risk up here though, just to protect myself from like some crazy nasty wicks. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I'll go break even here. We took out this internal low. Yeah, that's a sexy pre-market entry. What the hell? Why can't I ever find this in like the live markets when I'm trading, huh? Why don't I ever get to see them? Why don't I ever get to see such a beautiful move like that? That's so obvious. Oh my god. It's almost 11 o'clock. We're not gonna even get it. I take it back. I'm sorry for complaining. At that 2 minute. Why am I always late on these damn entries? Okay, wait, but do I have any targets lower though? Literally tapping right inside of the hourly and a 4 hour, right? Yeah. That is not smart. But we do have this hourly swing and overall. No, I can't. I can't take this. We're tapping inside of a 4 hour and 1 hour and we're wicking it. I can't take this, bro. This is way too risky. It would have worked. It would have worked. It would have worked. It would have worked. It would have worked too. But bro, we're tapping inside of the 4 hour, bro. I'm not retarded. I'm not taking that. Come on. Okay, hourly, what are we doing? We have swing high up there. We have stacked motherfucking lows. Oh my god, I would love shorts. I would love shorts. We're not gonna get shorts. We're not gonna get shorts. Do we have any targets higher though? Oh my god, we have a new week opening gap. How did I not see that? No shit, bro. We're bullish, bro. We're trying to go for that new week opening gap. Oh my god. Do we have an inversion though? Come on. Oh my god, we actually were bearish. Should have listened to myself. Should have trusted my instincts. Listen, I said we were bearish. I didn't trust myself. Come on, tap inside this 15. Tap inside this 5. You are, but it's 11 o'clock, so. Na na na. Na na. Stacked lows. We're still pushing higher though. That was a weird New York. Quick rejection lower than overall bullish. So it was like neutral, honestly. Okay, we still have that new week opening gap though that we're trying to fulfill. That was the 4 hour. 4 hour. We have this gap below. So if we do push lower, definitely going to be rejecting off that. Hourly, what are we doing? Rejecting off the hourly right now. But we didn't take out internal lows, so it doesn't really mean anything. 15-minute. Damn, this is tricky. Honestly, I wouldn't mind we could have a push lower, sweep out these lows, and then have continuation higher. We're just gonna have that continuation higher right away. Okay. We don't have a 15. I mean, we don't have a 5-minute fair value gap. We don't. Can we form a 15 before we take out that high? Before we take out that high? Come on. No trade entry at all, bro. Oh my god. We formed another new week opening gap. Okay, so we're most likely going to be pretty bullish then. Yeah, I'd say we're pretty bullish. I don't see why we'd want to push lower. We do have relative, well, relative equal lows. That could be draws if you want to go lower. I missed the trade. That's beautiful. Wow. Would I have got an entry though? I would have. Okay, let's see if we can get another entry. No, we're just gonna push higher now. Yo, I do not miss Biden markets, but at the same time, I also don't. 2025. Wait, no. Yeah, at least have EQ the range though. 2 o'clock, bro. Wow, what are we doing? And we gapped. What, bro? What market am I trading right now? This is crazy markets. These markets are fucking weird. What the hell? How am I supposed to trade something like that? Okay, we're obviously in a very strong uptrend. We never even tapped into EQ. Oh, there we go. I like that. Can we actually get an entry here? Yeah, I'll take this. Honestly, not the cleanest. But overall, we're in an uptrend. We have stacked highs up here. That's draws. Took out internal lows. Do we have any higher time frame inversion? Not even. This is low-key a shit entry. Not even that crazy about this trade. Yeah, okay. I mean, the strategy was there. I don't know. Something about it wasn't crazy about it. Just didn't like all the formation of these wicks. Anyways, draw on liquidity was very clear, which was the equals. All right, now we're having that projection off there. Oh my god. That is a crazy candle. That's definitely like a news candle. I was gonna say war news. No war in 2025. Well, I mean, technically there was, but not to the extent that we have now. Wow, this is 8:30. This is a CPI event, so I'm not gonna even try to tell a bias. Yeah, that's exactly why I don't want to tell a bias. Okay, let's just skip this day completely. I don't know what the hell's going on there. I'm in this push higher. I have a swing at these highs. We can come lower, give some form of a rejection at least. Already 11 o'clock. Nothing on this session. Wow, bro. This is kind of nuts. How do we just flush higher? Like, not even any form of a rejection at all. Like, bro, what are these candles? You had to flip that, didn't you? And you expect me not to take a short off this? This is such a... Bro, this is literally a 285 point move. This is nice, though. It's a nice short opportunity. Honestly, everyone's gonna call me stupid for taking this. I'm not, I wouldn't take this, but yeah, I honestly wouldn't take it, but it's nice. Yeah. Would have hit stop loss anyways. Bro, whenever you have big like wicks like this, especially 285 point moves, rather not even be trading on the market that day because that shit happens. Ooh la, look at that. That's beautiful. Right inside of this 15, wicking it. Yeah, give me an entry. Give me this 4-minute closure. Give me this 4-minute closure. Now we just generated more liquidity on these highs. Generated much more liquidity. Yeah, I like these. Disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish. Yeah. You just got to be a little tricky about this 3-minute. The second I'm in profit, I would want to go break even. Yeah, like something like that. I go break even. This is a really quick break even, but I'd want to see it flush. Okay, we took out these highs. Now this would guaranteed be a break even. That's crazy. Okay. End of the video over here. I'd call that a win. That's a freaking stop raid. Guys, if you do want to learn one-on-one with me, I have a link down below. Go check it out. It's not free of charge, but my links to my alpha account, you get a nice discount there. That is for free, and you get a nice discount, so it's a little plus for you. If you did stay to the end, though, let me know in the comments. Show me a follow on Instagram. And yeah, have a beautiful rest of your day. Please subscribe. Thank you.